The paparazzi's checking you out, Roan. You've got two like videos going.
He's like, yeah, got this down.
This is the best tummy time I've ever seen him do.
What does he usually do on his tummy?
His face like smushes into the ground and I can't get a good shot of him. Wow, look at him. That is so good. Kiddo, you are good. That's really cute. Is he gonna do it again? Alright, you want me to turn you over? You've had enough tummy time? Wow, he's still going though.
Is that just like build muscles in his neck or something? He's like, I
You're
like
supposed to